In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Meta Business Manager permanently. Whether you're looking to streamline your digital presence or simply need to tidy up unused accounts, deleting a Meta Business Manager can be a straightforward process when you know the right steps to follow. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Meta Business Suite. This is where most of your business management tools are located, and it's the starting point for deleting your account. Open your web browser and head over to the Meta Business Suite homepage. Once there, ensure you're logged in with the account that owns the business manager you intend to delete. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. The Settings area is where you'll manage various aspects of your business manager, so this step is crucial to set the process in motion. After entering the settings, your next step is to select Business Info from the menu on the left-hand side. This section contains details about your business, including its name, ID, and other essential information. It's the key section where you'll find the option to make permanent changes to your business manager. Now, you should see an option that reads Permanently Delete Business. Click on this option if you're absolutely sure you want to proceed with deleting your business manager. Before you confirm, make sure you've backed up any important data or information you might need later. Deleting your business manager is irreversible, and once it's gone, all associated data will be lost. It's important to note that the deletion process might take a few days to complete. This is a standard procedure to ensure all data is properly removed and to give you a small window to cancel the deletion if you change your mind. During this period, you won't be able to access any of the business manager's features. And there you have it. Those are the steps to permanently delete your Meta Business Manager. Remember, this action is final, so double check everything before you proceed. If you're managing multiple business managers, make sure you're deleting the correct one to avoid any mishaps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.